After downloading Okecbot, you saw something like this. Windows security threat found, Microsoft antivirus found threats. Which means after downloading Okecbot, if this is what you saw, where you were not able to download it because it says virus detected, this is how to solve that issue. Firstly, just after it has told you this, click on this section of your Windows computer. You would see a particular prompt from here saying Windows threats. But now, if you have not yet downloaded this and you couldn't find this, or you couldn't find this is how to get here. On this place it says type here to search. Just type Windows security. Now when you type Windows security, click on this Windows security over here. On the Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. Then go straight to where it says manage settings. On the settings, switch every single one of them off. Exit. Now try to download the Okecbot again, and this time around you will not get a flag. However, after downloading and installing Okecbot, I would recommend you go back to turn on those settings. Now it has been able to download properly. If I head over to my download history, you will see it is no longer marked anymore. Next step is to install the Okecbot software. To do this, click on where it says okecbot.exe and wait for the prompt. When the prompt pops up, click on more info and click on run anyway. Now, read the terms and conditions, proceed and install Okecbot on your computer. Should you have issues installing Okecbot, being get flagged as a virus, this is how to bypass it and get it installed. However, when installation is done, head back to type here to search, put in Windows security, repeat the same step, virus and threat protection, manage settings, and once the download is completed and installed, turn on the settings back.